Caddex Turtle V1 and V2 comparison, plus a little project I've been working on. Check it out. This is the Mubala. So if you was to take like a regular whoop, the only thing that you're getting video from is the DVR from the regular, crappy DVR footage that comes out of your goggle directly recorded. So they came out with this, the HD version, which had a Caddex Turtle on it. You can actually put an SD card in the back and it'll record directly to an SD card, 1080p. So it actually comes out looking pretty nice, semi close to a GoPro. It takes 2S, two 1-cell batteries. So what we're going to do here is we're going to replace the Caddex Turtle V1 with the Caddex Turtle V2. The reason I got to change out the Caddex V1 for the V2 is that little guy right there popped out of there, and there is a tiny little gap in there where it goes. I tried a few different techniques to get that in there, and I couldn't get it back. They used to sell a replacement wire harness for this, where it just pops out here and then pops out back here. But they don't sell the V1 anymore. They sell the V2 replacement harness. I'm hoping that the V2 wire will actually fit in here. Now I'm actually going to replace the whole thing and use the V2 camera because it's just the wire. The camera's good and the board is good. So I'm going to quit gabbing and we're going to take out a couple screws. Check it out. So there is that. So yeah, I just have everything laying down in there like that. Okay. Now the great thing about this is it should be a straight plug and play setup. I can just unplug this right here, and we will be able to just plug the other camera in. Bam. And that comes completely off. The Caddex off. And there it is. That is completely removed. Brand new V2. I've already opened this box, so it is out of place. And then here's the Banggood little 3D printed part. By the way, I just realized I don't have my watch on, and yes, you can make fun of my terrible watch line. So if we double check here, no, that doesn't look the same. If anyone knows where to get a V1 replacement cable, let me know. But what's great about this one is it has a mic, which is going to be fun with a whoop. And like I said, it's just a quick plug and play, so we'll be good there. I was just double checking, making sure everything plugs in. Plugs in exactly the same. This should have took, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Quick plug and play. But, there's always a but. There's always something here. Let's see. I've lifted the pad for the power wire of the camera. And it didn't come desoldered, it straight lifted the pad. And that sucks. If I can't resolder that pad, I can maybe jump it off of the main power pad. That's what a lifted pad looks like. There's the pad on the wire. See how it's like brown? I'm going to desolder this just because this came off, so that shouldn't be a problem. I think we should start with the camera wire. I'm going to drop it in on the VTX 5. It's not the best. It's got that foggy, not shine to it. I think it's good before I lift another pad. This beeper has got to be totally redone. I gotta change bits to get in there. We'll see. Let that heat up for a second. I totally forgot to start the camera, but I just soldered positive of the beeper. And I mean, the pad is like, it's tiny. So what I did is I laid down a little bit of solder, and then I made like a solder, I stretched the solder up a little bit because I couldn't get a good bead down. So I stretched the solder up, and then I stuck my wire kind of onto this little kind of spike of solder that I did. I think that's it. We double soldered the ground and the camera wire together to a 5-volt. We resoldered back in the beep. So we'll give this a shot. Good signs. Good signs. Good signs all around. Bam! Let me clean up, and then we'll start the reassembly process. So let's plug it in real quick and see where we're at. We're working now. I'm gonna hook up the dongle and get all that Caddex off there. I just need my voltage. That is my Frankenstein kind of version of Cinnaboo. Thanks for watching, guys.